During Q4 last year, I made over $118,000 in 1 week with a net profit margin of 27% by selling my own products on Amazon FBA. Today, I am going to show you how you can do the same this season by following my step-by-step product research strategy. If you follow everything that I say in this video, you should be profiting an extra $5,000 to $10,000 every single month. So without wasting any time, let's dive right in. Hey everyone, so in this video, I will show you step by step from beginning to end how you can find a good product to sell on Amazon FBA so you can make a ton of money for yourself. Now, if you guys are watching this video and you are brand new to selling products on Amazon FBA, you do not know where to start, or maybe you do not know how to find winning products to sell, then I encourage you to get my free training in the YouTube description below. Enter your name, enter your email address, and watch the webinar to the very end. After you complete the training, you will be able to book a one-on-one free consultation with my team, and we will guide you through the entire process on how you can get started with selling products on Amazon FBA. So again, just click on that free training link in the YouTube description below. So the very first step is obviously to sign up for your Amazon Seller Central account. Start selling with Amazon. Now, this business model is the #1 online business model that I recommend for anyone. It's not hard after you find your first winning product, and that is what I will show you today. All you do is go to this website, sell.amazon.com, and sign up for your Amazon Seller Central account. All Amazon sellers need an account, and within the account, that is where you create your product listings, where you run your advertising, where you upload your images, how you list your product on Amazon. That is all within your Amazon Seller Central account, and it costs $39.99 a month plus selling fees to sell on the American Amazon Marketplace. Now, why do I suggest the American Marketplace only? It's because it is the world's biggest Amazon Marketplace. Amazon customers buy roughly 7,400 products per minute from US sellers. So you want to take a huge advantage of this business model today. After you have created your Amazon Seller Central account, you also need your Alibaba.com account. Alibaba.com is a website where there are so many suppliers where you can source your products from. So if I go to the front page of Alibaba.com, you can see that I can buy all sorts of products for super duper cheap. If you buy yoga blocks for retail price on Amazon, I bet you it is super expensive, but you can source them on Alibaba.com for 87 cents each. Now, this is just a rough estimate on how much the product costs. You have to contact suppliers on Alibaba.com after opening an account to negotiate with them and customize your product and then list it to sell on Amazon. So you want to open your Seller Central account, open your Alibaba.com account, find some suppliers for your product, talk to them, negotiate with them, and then customize your product to your liking and then list it to sell on Amazon. Now, after you talk to suppliers on Alibaba.com, you will then ship your product to the Amazon FBA warehouse. After you ship your product to the Amazon FBA warehouse, this is where the Amazon workers pick, pack, and ship your orders on your behalf to their customers. So your product will be listed on Amazon's website. That is after you create your account, after you source your product, and then shipping it to Amazon's warehouse. And then Amazon does all of the hard work for you. Now, the most difficult part, I'm sure you guys are all aware, is to find that winning product. All right, selling itself on Amazon is super easy. You don't even have to spend a lot of time on your business. Right now, I spend about 20 minutes, 30 minutes per day maintaining my advertising on Amazon, and that's it. I get to do whatever I like with my free time. Now, most of my free time is teaching you guys how to become successful as well, because I have a great passion for this Amazon FBA business model, and I want everybody to become financially free. Make sure you guys give this website a quick read so you understand how Amazon FBA works. It's a super simple process, but the hardest part is to find that product, which I will teach you next. Now, the software tool that I use to find my winning products and what I use to teach all of my students who sell products on Amazon is called Helium 10. Helium 10 is your one-stop shop to everything you need to run a successful Amazon FBA business. Here is a list of all of their tools, and you do need a Helium 10 account, and you do need to get on the Platinum plan to use this feature. So if you want to get your feet wet with Helium 10 tools, then make sure you get 50% off using my coupon code right here. I will link this website in the YouTube description below, so just click on that link to Helium 10 so you can claim 50% off using Helium 10 tools. Now, the tool within Helium 10 that I will be using today to teach you how to find products to sell on Amazon is called Black Box Amazon Product Research. After you have completed your Helium 10 subscription, you can now use Black Box to find products to sell on Amazon. Now, this is just one of the ways that I find products on Amazon. I also have another strategy where I teach you how to find products to sell, and that is in my most recent YouTube video right here, where I teach you step by step a different way to find winning products on Amazon. So make sure you check out that video. Let's start by going to products. So you want to select a category that you are interested in when you are choosing products to sell on Amazon. I like toys and games. I'm sure you guys all know that because I sell in the toys and games category. And then we want to put in the review count. So what is review count? If we go to any product right here, let's type in teddy bear. The review count is how many reviews does each seller have on Amazon. Now, I like to plug in a number that is a little lower. You do not want to plug in numbers that are like 10,000 or 20,000 in reviews, because the more reviews that a product has, the higher competition it is. So we want to find that sweet spot. So I'm just going to put a product has to have 10 reviews to 1,000 reviews. That is a good number to start with. Review rating, let's do 2 stars to 5 stars. And shipping size, we want to do small or large standard size. Now, this is only for beginners. After you guys have experience selling on Amazon and you have already made a ton of money, you can try small oversized. But the problem with oversized products is that you will get charged more in your fees that you pay Amazon. So stick to small and large standard size. The weight, you do not want to go past 3 pounds. If you are a beginner, I suggest 2 pounds. I think 3 pounds is a lot. Just keep in mind that the lighter your product is, the less fees you have to pay Amazon. Remember, Amazon is a business themselves. So of course you have to pay them a small percentage for them to ship your products to their customers. And if you want to find out some fees, then I suggest you to again read over this website to get familiar with what they are charging you for your fulfillment fees. So fulfillment, we are going to do FBA because that stands for Fulfillment by Amazon. Number of images, variation count. This does not matter too much. I just want to show you guys how to find a good product so you can get started. All you do is click on search, and then all of the products in the toys and games category that have these options that we selected will pop up. Now, there are a lot of options here, and it can get overwhelming, especially if you are starting to just sell on Amazon. But do not worry, you do not need to fill in every single section here. I just like to start off with what is on the left-hand side, and that's it. So let's hit search. And it will bring up all of the products within our search criteria. Go to monthly revenue and sort it from big to small. I just want to double check something here. You do not want products that have a really high amount of monthly revenue, because that means that product is bad and has a ton of competition. Remember what I said earlier, you want to source products with average competition or low competition. A product like Pokemon, the very first product that popped up with the highest amount of monthly revenue, $859,000 per month. I can't even imagine making that much every month. So this tells me that all of the products that are very high in revenue are high in competition. So let's go fix that. Go to edit filters and then go to, I believe it's right here, monthly revenue. Let's lower that revenue. Let's do 200,000. All right, so we are looking at products between $20,000 a month to $200,000 a month. And after you pay for your products on Alibaba.com, it will be a lot lower in net profit. So make sure your monthly revenue is high enough so you can look for products that still pay you a lot. Click on apply filters, and now it will bring up product with lower revenue and hopefully lower competition. So I'm just going to sort this from big to small once more. And right here it says that the first product is a floral woodland animal tableware set for baby shower. So this looks like a baby shower decoration. Now I've been selling products on Amazon for a few years now, and I know that baby shower decorations are not the best product. And it looks like their revenue is kind of high, but just being around the block for so long, I know that a lot of sellers are selling the baby shower decoration, and I want to stay away from that product. The products that you do want to find are products that are not that common. So if we go down here, mermaid party decorations. Okay, this is different. So we all know that the theme mermaid is more specific compared to baby shower decorations. Mermaid is a theme. So this is a cool product that we can potentially look at. All I'm going to do is copy their ASIN. So you see this little copy ASIN option right here. It might be kind of small for you guys. Click on copy. And then you want to go to Amazon.com and type it into the Amazon search bar, because here is where the magic happens. And this is how you do a background check on this product to see if it's something that you want to source. Now, this product, I can already tell that there is a lot of room for differentiation. Well, I looked up this product in the past and that's how I know. But as you can see, these mermaid birthday plates are blue, and I bet you can source one with a different color, maybe with more forks, more napkins, different size plates. You get the idea. There are so many options to differentiate your product. Now, when you guys are selling products on Amazon, you want to be different, okay? We are not going to source the exact same thing as someone else. We are going to source something that is better than what is already on Amazon's marketplace. So all you do is go to Alibaba.com and you can type in mermaid decorations for party. And then you can see a lot of different options. And then you can also go to Amazon.com and type in mermaid party decorations. And then you get to see everyone who has their mermaid party decorations, and make sure that you are selling a better version of the mermaid party decorations so customers will buy your product. So if I go to my Helium 10 Chrome extension and go to X-Ray, I can find out how much money every single seller is making by selling mermaid party decorations. Now, if we go back to Alibaba.com, I know I missed a step. I just want to show you that this is how much it costs to source mermaid party decorations on Alibaba.com. So this looks like it's 2 cents a piece. And then this looks like it's $4.66 a set with the lowest price here. This one is $1.31, super cheap. And then people are selling it on Amazon. On average, the average price is $19. Now remember, Amazon obviously takes a small fee when you are selling on Amazon and using their website. So again, make sure you do your due diligence and check out FBA storage and fulfillment fees. But I like this product so far. It looks like I can differentiate it, I can improve it, I can source it for super cheap. And again, these prices are not set in stone. After you contact your supplier on Alibaba.com, you can talk them into a lower price so you can make more money. Now let's go back to Amazon.com and sort the revenue right here from big to small. And by the way, you need to download your Helium 10 Chrome extension. So not only do you need the Helium 10 Platinum plan, you can get 50% off by using my code, but you can download the free Helium 10 Chrome extension, and that is how I am getting these numbers. A lot of beginners ask me, how can I see how much money people are making every single month? So here it is. Now this is not it. This is a natural fishnet party decoration. So that's wrong. Let's remove that. Sometimes Amazon does weird things and pulls up products that are not related to what you are looking for. But here it is. This is the 96-piece mermaid birthday party supplies. And this seller is making over $100,000 every single month in sales. Like, that is insane. Can you guys imagine? And this one is a 3-piece mermaid tablecloth. Okay, so this is unique. It's not like a birthday party decoration. It's a tablecloth set. And this is $69,000 every month. So the average revenue of all the sellers on the first page that is selling the mermaid party decorations is making over $18,000 every single month. That is a lot of money. So this is why you guys should get on this opportunity right now. Do not wait. If you need help with finding products and you do not know where to start, again, get my free training in the YouTube description below by clicking on the free training link. Enter your name, enter your email address, and watch the training to the end so you can book a one-on-one call with my team, and we will walk you through the entire process, how we find products just like this that make so much money on Amazon. And along with all these other products, it's just crazy how much money you can make on Amazon. I hope this video has helped you today. If you guys have any questions or comments, then make sure you drop it in the comment section below. Please help me give this video a huge thumbs up and turn on that notification bell so you can get notified every single time I post a new YouTube video. And don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you guys next week.